Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Use the coupon code QPT to get my AA course with a discount. Google is showing this animated doodle to celebrate World Quantum Day. The doodle illustrates the concept of superposition, one of the fundamental principles that makes quantum computing possible. The date April 14th represents the first 3 digits of Planck's constant, which describes the relationship between the energy and frequency of a quantum of energy, such as a photon. The artwork featured in today's Google Doodle shows a thermotrope, a tool and optical toy that consists of a disk with 2 different pitches on either side. When spun rapidly, our brains superimpose both images so they appear to combine and form one image. The thermotrope helps illustrate the concept of quantum superposition, when a particle exists in multiple states at once. In classical physics, the world we see every day, things can only be in one state at a time. A light switch is either on or off. A coin is either heads or tails. But in the quantum world, things behave very differently. In quantum physics, a tiny particle like an electron or photon can be in multiple states at the same time. This is called superposition. For example, imagine a coin that is spinning in the air. It is not just heads or tails, it's kind of both at once. In quantum superposition, it's like the coin stays in that mixed state until someone looks at it. To help explain superposition, physicist Erwin Schrödinger came up with a strange idea. A cat is placed in a box with a mechanism that has a 50% chance of killing the cat. Until you open the box and check, the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. It is in a superposition of both states. Only when you observe or measure it, the superposition collapses into one state, either alive or dead. Quantum superposition is the foundation of quantum computing. A regular computer uses bits 0 or 1. A quantum computer uses qubits, which can be 0, 1 or both at the same time. This makes quantum computers super powerful for certain types of problems. Thanks for watching this video. Visit my website rajamanikam.com to buy my ebooks and courses.